Chandrayaan-2 details. The second lunar mission of India was Chandrayaan-2. Chandrayaan-2 was launched by ISRO on 22 July 2009. Searching for the availability of water on the moon was the objective of Chandrayaan-2. The mission took about 603 crores INR. It was launched from Sriharikota range at 2:43 p.m. 22 July 2009. The satellite was equipped with a high-resolution camera to take a clear image of the moon. The name of the lander of Chandrayaan-2 was Vikram. Chandrayaan-2 was expected to be on mission for 14 days. It was about to land in the south region of the moon. Unfortunately, the satellite could not have a successful landing on the moon's surface. Thanks for watching.